guys, Matthew here. Today, I'm gonna be trying out the freezing hands cubing challenge. If you didn't know what this challenge is, I'm gonna be doing a 2x2 through 5x5 relay with room temperature hands. And then I'm gonna do a 2x2 through 5x5 relay with freezing hands. Unlike other people who have done this challenge on YouTube, I'm not getting a bowl of cold water and ice. Instead, I'm going to be going outside and using the natural ice water, which is snow. And trust me, it's cold. Actually, no, this is it. This is all that I'm doing because it's like actually like probably not good for my hands. my final thoughts on the freezing hand challenge is it's not too hard. Maybe that's because I put my hands into the snow for like 2 seconds, but you have to remember, the snow is like minus 15 degrees Celsius, and that's like super cold. Like, honestly, I don't think I could have been able to like put my hands in the snow any longer. I feel like it was pretty easy, and it would be easier with maybe like ice water. I feel like the ice water would also be more difficult at the same time, because your body would take longer to reheat itself up. Maybe I did the easier one, maybe I did the hard one. But after I finished the 2x2 and 3x3 and started doing the 5x5, my hands really started to warm up. I did DNF it because, I mean, these two edges were swapped, but whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell to never miss out on any more cubing content like this. I'm out. Peace.